Secure Government Contracts Workbook. States, cities, and counties steer more than $3 trillion annually, employ more than 19 million people, and oversee massive operations in public safety, healthcare, education, finance, and transportation. While there's no shortage of opportunities to sell to the government, finding government contracts to bid on is no easy task. This workbook will walk you through everything you need to know about securing a government contracts. Assess your business. Evaluate your small business to see if you have what it takes to win a government contract. Market research. Market research is the first step of any acquisition. This contains development of new requirements documents, invitation to submit offers above the simplified purchase threshold, solicit bids below the simplified procurement threshold only when adequate information is not available and costs are justified. With this in mind, it is important for government contractors to remember why they use market research. Under the Federal Acquisition Rationalization Act of 1994, market research is required to develop new specifications for an acquisition, and before soliciting any bid or proposal for a contract. Depending on the type of acquisition, whether real estate or business, market research can provide contractors with the data they require to make decisions. Or, as the law says, contractors may use the results of market research to determine whether there are commercial items, or, if commercial items suitable for the agency's needs are unavailable, non-development items that are not commercially available, which A. meet the requirements of the agency as needed, B. may be modified to meet regulatory requirements, or C. could meet regulatory requirements if those requirements were reasonably modified. Market research is the basis of finding information to create a business plan effectively. This includes the creation of an application plan and a successful contract. Before creating a new requirements document, whether for specifications or standards, market research should be undertaken. That means contractors need to find the information needed to forecast the need for an acquisition. Research can provide contractors with details of appropriate commercial items, product and industry information, existing systems or required technology, and answers to any other questions that may arise. In an acquisition, the general purpose of market research is to discover the best way to acquiring, distributing, and supporting supply and services. This includes analyzing if existing government standards are met by trade sources and trade items. For government agencies, thorough market research will reveal powerful sources, including small businesses, business practices, competitive market forces, applicable laws and regulations, existing products, price overview, successful procurement practices of other organizations, support skills, different performance levels and product quality. Once the market research is complete and the information is understood by the agency, it is important that they document all of the findings. Records of essential agency requirements, source list research, and market intelligence should be available for easy integration into the research report. If appropriate, a report or presentation of your findings may include description and explanation of the background to the acquisition, including the purpose, identification of the market research team, description of agency needs, summary of sources and information collected in each case, summary of industry sources, a summary of the terms and conditions, including payment, freight delivery, acceptance, and warranty information, identifying the price ranges discovered, the possible reasons for the fluctuations, and the possibility of establishing a fair market price.